Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Cook 1 pound of ground beef in a 10-inch skillet over medium-high heat until fully cooked. Drain the fat afterwards. Add half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/3 cup of ketchup and remove from heat. Get 2 8-ounce cans of refrigerated Pillsbury Original Crescent Rolls and spread them out into 16 triangles. Get 8 slices of American cheese and break each slice into 4 strips like this. Place 2 strips of cheese on the wide part of each triangle. Top each with about 2½ tablespoons of the beef mixture. This starts to get a little messy. Then top that with 1 pickle slice on each. Carefully roll up each crescent, ending at the tip of the triangle. Get 2 cookie sheets lined with parchment paper, and place 8 crescents with tips down on each cookie sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until a deep golden brown. Serve warm. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.